Hello everybody, and welcome to my project demo. So my project is called DigiBOP, and it is a music mixer that is built off musical blocks such as note blocks, loop blocks, rest blocks, and chord blocks. So here's a demo of what this program can do. Okay, so now let's take a look at the tools that are offered by my program. So there's a play panel, which allows us to play the music that we created. We also have a bunch of tools here that we could use, such as the create new script tool, which creates a new script. And to the script, we can add note blocks, loop blocks, rest blocks, or chord blocks. And we can also create more than one script, add stuff there. We can also select our script and add more notes. We can also move our scripts around, and we can also delete them. So to the right of our workspace, we have a script editor and a block editor, and this allows us to change the properties of our note block or the blocks that we choose. So here we have a note block, 0. We can also change the name to script. Let's say hello. And now we selected note block 0, which is this. So we have a wide variety of instruments to choose from. So let's say the violin, and it's a different piano. We also could change our pitch. So let's say D sharp, or we can do E. We also have our tones, and we also have our durations. The block editor also allows us to select which note we want to edit. So we also have, let's add a loop block here and a chord block. So we can select which block we want to edit. So let's say a loop block here, and let's change it to violin or something. So we can also save our channel. So we go here to File, we can click Save As, and then we can just select our file that we want to save it to. We can also load our channels using this file chooser. So let's load this. And we can also change our BPM. So let's say 150, and then we can play it.